Previously on Mascot Madness. Devastated from his 2018 defeat, Roody enters into a downward spiral.
Give it to me straight, Doc. What's wrong with him?
Look, nothing's wrong with him. He's a mascot. He's got no vitals, no pulse. He isn't real.
No, don't you say that. He is real. He makes us feel good about our sports teams. You tell me that feeling isn't real.
I just don't know what to say to you anymore. You haven't been yourself lately. Who cares if you don't have a heart, or if you can't talk, or convey complex emotions? You don't have to do this. You don't just quit when things get tough. We need you here. SUNY Canton is your home. How else will the crowds know when to cheer? People will be very confused.
What's a kangaroo doing here?
He's not even a real kangaroo.
Hey, what are you doing here? Go back to where you belong.
Hey, let's take his bike. Let's go.
Go.
Back. Let's go show the world what a real mascot looks like.
Coming up next on Mascot Madness.
Roody, if you want to capture the heart of a voter, you've got to think like a voter.
President Savran prepares Roody for his comeback.
Click, vote, refresh, confirm. Click, vote, refresh, confirm.